Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com here. I have got a Smashlots box, and I've been really excited about the things I've been getting from them. So let's see what's in this one. All right, so boxes from Smashlots in the past has usually been some high-end clothing. And so I'm going to be very careful with my box cutter because I don't want to put any holes in any of the clothing that is in here. If that's what is in here. This one's a little bit of a mystery box, but I know that I've been getting some variety. I've got an invoice in here, so I'm going to read off basically what's supposed to be in this box so that it gives you an idea of kind of where I'm at. So it's a box sample size. They have various different sizes. This is called a sample size, and they're actually doing a giveaway, a Smashlots giveaway of this size of a box. But I've usually gotten really high-end clothes. And so, and usually they on average cost, this amount generally costs anywhere from $150 to $200 if you buy it from Smashlots, which sounds like a lot, but the clothes that you get, you can make bank on because they're really, really nice stuff. So, and I will give you the details in my second video about how much I think I can make after we show everything. So here's a really cute top. This is a women's size 1X. The brand is Unity. So that's a really cute top, tunic length top with kind of a funky hemline on it. So that's really cute, 1X. Let's see what else we got in here. We've got looks like a dress, a velvety long sleeve dress, which would be perfect time of the year to sell this. This is a 3X. I know some of the plus sizes usually sell really well. It looks like original retail was $69 on this dress. So that one's a really cute, just simple black velvety 3/4 sleeve mini dress. All right, another item in here. If I can find out where the front or top of it. This is a Liz Claiborne 2X shirt. Very pretty. It's got some fun velvety detailing on the front with a nice V-neck on the, but it's pretty high necked, which is nice. So this has also got a 3/4 sleeve on it. Very lightweight, and I bet it's very comfortable to wear. All right, then we have another, this one is a Worthington. Let's see what this is. Looks like a tank top. This is a 3X, nice kind of camisole tank top. It's a see-through, but it looks like it would be a really cute undershirt if you put it under a jacket. 3X, it's a Worthington brand. Ooh, this looks like flashy material. Worthington, size 14, original sale price of $72. It's a cold shoulder. Cute mini dress, size 14, with some cute cold shoulder ruffled sleeves. It's kind of got gold flecks in it. It's like an ivory color with gold flecks in it with a nice V-neck on it. All right, let's see what else we got. This is perfect for harvest time. A Robbie B brand, 1X. It's a dress, a really cute fall dress. This is a 1X. Very, very cute. I love the bottom hem on it and details on the bottom hem. It looks like original retail was $89 on this dress. Cute belt that goes with it. I like that dress. So here's another 1X. This is an ALYX woman. If you know how to pronounce it, please phonetically write it in there for me. ALYX is what the brand is. 1X, cute, kind of a sweatshirt, but it's very, very thin. So it would be a really cute sweater. So far, condition-wise, I'm not really seeing anything wrong with these. There's no stains. I'm not seeing any picks or anything. I'll have to definitely look at them a little bit closer. But as of right now, I'm not seeing anything. If you guys see anything wrong with any of them, just let me know in the description. This is a 24W boutique women's pair of capris. Really cute detailing on the pockets, and I love the back pockets. These are really cute. Look at the back pockets. Those are fun. So those are brand new. I'll hold them still for a minute for you. But really cute capris, 24W. And then let's see what else we got. I think maybe the rest is pants. A&A, a new approach, Anna, woman's 18W, white pants. I'm always nervous to wear white pants, but they have like the detailed ripping down the front, 18W. It says destructed jeggings. So these are actually jeggings. So, and they're pre-destructed for you just in case you didn't want to do it yourself. So those are really cute. So 18 women's. These are also 18 women's. Capri pants, khaki, easy fit through the hip and thigh, capri mid-rise khakis, and they are St. John's Bay. St. John's Bay, their original retail price is $44 on those. Like I said, I'm going to scan all these and find out the price breakdown of what I can sell them for as a reseller based on fees. Here's a cute little mid-rise skirt. It's a pair of shorts with a skirt in it. This is a St. John's Bay brand as well. Cute little pockets on the back. I love the little, I don't know if you can tell from far away, so once you come in close, there's little detailed threading along the pockets here, little X mark threading, which is, I think, a really cute detail. I think when you actually wear it, it'd probably pop out a little bit more. So that's a cute little skirt. And then let's see. Oop, this is 2 pieces. It looks like it's a dress or a shirt of some sort. Arizona Jean Company Junior Plus 2X. Original retail is $38. Looks like it's a little jumper dress. So Arizona Jean Company is a mall store, if you're not familiar with it. Juniors Plus, which I didn't realize they had a Juniors Plus section, but it's a size 2X. And so it's going to fit a junior's body style much better than like a women's body shape. And then last thing in the box is a Gloria Vanderbilt pair of pants. They're actually denim. Well, they're jean material, soft touch, maximum recovery, all-in-one, slim effect pants. They are size 14, and they're kind of like a black and burgundy pattern on them. They look from far away like a little bit of a burgundy color, but they're actually got detailed pattern on them. So that's the last thing in the box. So quite a few items. As you can see, they're all high-end, very good condition, basically brand new condition, and most things are $40 and up was the original retail. So I'm going to do a breakdown on the numbers and find out how much can I actually make off of all of these items, and then I'll give you the detailed on this is what I think I can make on this entire box. And so I hope this has been fun to see a Smashlots box unboxed. And they are doing a giveaway for a sample box, and so you'll have to check out all the details in the description. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.